Hello. How's it going? Falonier? Falonier, two messages for Finn. Finn, you can't alter reality. You're not allowed to alter reality. That actually messed with my brain. The audacity, seriously. Oh my god. Val, you're alive. I hope you're not hearing this. Oh, I'm on your screen. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I can't hear you. Only you can hear me. Finn, how's it going? It's so funny. Like I see myself. I'm on your screen right now. It feels like the first time I've ever streamed before. Like I'm nervous and I'm streaming. I'm on my channel. I'm comfy. I've done it a million times. I'm on your channel. That's nerve-wracking. I don't know what the deal is with that. Uh but Finn, how's it going? Best moderating you've ever done? Probably, yeah. Those I don't know. That doesn't mean it was good moderating. It just means it's the best you've done so far. Also, Turgis, how's it going? BCE Math, thank you for the follow. Turgis was first, definitely. I'm just listening to you on Fal's channel for the content. I wish I could hear it. I guess I could unmute it. It's over now. It's gone now. That got me real good. Thanks for that, Finn. Yeah, that was pretty good. All right. How's it going? How y'all doing? I amuse myself, and isn't that what really moderating is all about? Yes. Yes. Anytime you're in someone else's chat and you're a moderator, use the full potential of self-amusement power. All of it. That's what I do on your channel. It's mostly just like, how can I make me laugh today? So yesterday we got a lot done. Yesterday was a very active stream. I got a lot done. And right after stream, I pushed an update to Steam. I even made a little I even made one of these events. The demo has arrived. Look at that. I'm very thankful for everyone who has played. 10 plus things. That's nice. And I've been listening to all the feedback I've come across. Aaron! Hi, Val. Somehow, yeah. Val's everywhere. Val is a force. He is everywhere. It's Friday and we ordered curry. Ooh, that's a good idea. Swarm of Weasels, how's it going? Did you bring enough to share with everyone in chat? Yeah, seriously. I'm going to petition for curry tonight. My wife is funny with it. It's like one of our favorite comfort foods. If we're ever like, I don't feel like cooking, I don't feel like going out, Indian curry, done, easy. But lately, it's just been giving her really bad heartburn. So it's just like, nah, I don't want it. So I always feel bad suggesting it because I know it's going to give her heartburn. I'm going to suggest it anyway. We'll see what she says. Turgis, thank you for the lurk. How are you doing, Aaron? Let me show you what I was doing for the past 40 minutes. You ready? This is what I was doing for the past 40 minutes. I was doing this space scavenger. Oh my god, I love the chroma. Wait, why is it keying that out? Oh, the planet. That's so funny. And the button, it won't show the play button. But yeah, I was playing some Space Scavenger too. It's very good. It's really good. Holy crap. Did you guys know that Red Cabin is a professional game dev and he makes professional games? Holy shit. Had a little break for food. I'm gonna fix what I was doing on stream and then hopefully play a game before bed. Aaron, I like the new game idea. I like the new game idea. It's a very good one. The funny thing is, From all the streams I've ever watched you for the past, I think I've discovered you in like March or February, because I had like February is when I had a month away from my wife, and my evenings were free for a whole month, and you were on at like 11 p.m. and it was perfect. But I don't think I ever saw you work on your game. It was only making hats. I never even saw your puzzle game. I was gonna make fish with salad, but then someone in another channel mentioned curry, and I was like, I want that. Yeah, now you're mentioning it to me, and I want that. The hell is he doing hanging around us then? What do you mean? Oh, I can't see out of these things. So I don't even know what to do with myself. Oh, Red Cabin, the professional. Yeah, the professional. I think he only hangs out with us because we pester him enough. And he comes and sees, what are these people pestering me about? Like, what are they about? I was in his chat the other day. I'm like, did you know you can join our stream team if you'd like? And he's like, what's a stream team? I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? He knew what a stream team was. He was being coy. Do I need to obtain curry in Alpine Lake to find the bear? You don't need curry, but I might add curry. I definitely might add curry. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what to do today. I did everything I wanted to do. I don't know. Everything I wanted to do is in and uploaded, and the world is my oyster. And I'm not really in the mood for oysters right now. You know what I mean? I feel like I just hiked up a mountain, like a really hard mountain, and I'm at the peak. And you look up and there's just an even larger peak right behind it that you need to climb. And I'm just like, oh, I don't have the energy for that right now. I need to just build a little cabin at the top of this peak and live in it for a bit. Mr. Mard. Character who gives you curry should be named Steph Curry. That's pretty good. So what could we add? What could we add? Let's look at this list of content additions that I do want to put in the game. So I have a list of animals that I want. I want ducks and swans and frogs and dragonflies. Fireflies I did. But they're not in the current build, and I don't know why. I want environmental photographables. Yeah. I want to introduce the painter NPC who tasks you with finding inspiration. Right. So the painter. Yeah. The painter's going to be like, "Hey, I want like a beautiful waterfall." And then you go take a photo of the waterfall. Stuff like that. I wonder who will be the painter. Ooh, chickens. Ooh, that's a big one. Maybe I add chickens to the game. People want to turn on the radio. They do. They do. I don't have like music. What I could do is the jukebox. The jukebox. And the musical notes. Excuse me. I could just toggle this on and off. Like that could be a thing. So maybe this is off. And then on player interaction, I should have a toggle thing. Toggle. Toggle. Toggle control? Toggle event? Smart toggle? What are all these things? No, it's not smart toggle. That's a UI thing. Toggle event. Toggle on, toggle off. Toggle on, toggle off. What is toggle on, toggle off? Swap. Public Unity events. Who made this? Did I make this? I didn't make this. What is this? This is in poly perfect. Yeah, I didn't make this. What's mine? Toggle control. Nope. Smart toggle? Maybe it is smart toggle. No. This game got fireflies before Minecraft. Is that a thing? Does Minecraft not have fireflies and people ask for it? Farm should have ducks too. Yeah, I guess if you can have chickens, you should be able to have ducks. I swear I have a toggle. I swears. This value. What does the light do? I don't understand. Lamp. Decor lamp. How does this thing work? Game object. Oh, game object toggler. Game object toggler. Spotlight. Spotlight. Game object toggler. That's what it's called. It sounds kind of weird. The Tic Tac moves along the path now? Nice. Everyone, shout out. Shout out for Errand. Which means I can play a game for a bit. You did it. You succeeded and you get to reward yourself. Usually I'm too tired to reward myself. Start state off. Oh, this is actually a smart script. I like it because I can leave it on and it has a start state. On player interaction. Oh, wait. The jukebox does do something. Play random background music. Interesting. I guess I want to move this here. Enable. On and enable. Enable on start. No, I want like enable events. Enable events. Event trigger? Add new event on. No. I'm pretty sure I can find it somewhere. The toggler. Yeah, it's not a pretty name. I'm lurking. Behave, Aaron. I'm looking at you. Aaron has never misbehaved here. Not many people have. Honestly, it's probably you. You misbehave the most. Event system? No, not event system. I just want like a bunch of events. Toggle event, timed event, start event, stat event, save. Oh, game object trigger. I can use this, right? Dialogue system trigger. I think I can use this thing and just be like, on start. No, it's not on start. It's on enable. Yes, on enable. I want to on execute. Execute. Okay. When this thing enables, that's when I want to do this. Copy. Wait. Oh, no, that's not what I want. You delete. You come with me. Copy. Go here. Paste. No, I can't paste. Lame. Music. Oh, what the hell is it called? All right. Play random background music from Spring Music Collection. Spring Music Collection. Play random background music. Okay. Vass8. Thank you for the follow. Have a good lurk. I'll be good probably. How do you select songs like a real jukebox? And this is just going to be random for now. I know I set the boundaries people can't exceed. I guess you got a good point there. No pasting. It doesn't recognize that those two things were the same kinds of properties. Like this is an event, and this is an on execute. Like it's just I don't know why it doesn't see them as the same. All right, so instead of this playing the music, this is going to turn on the toggle, the toggler, game object toggler, toggle. So now the jukebox turns on and off, and these musical notes also show up. So you know it's on. Should it dance? Should the jukebox do a little dance? Animator. Oh, look at that. I have an animator. Can you have two animators? Remove component. You can't add. All right. We're not going to do that. Computer, how's it going? Dancing jukebox for sure. But I can't have two animators. What is this cube? That is just a cube. We don't need that cube. But it's part of the... Why is that part of the prefab cancel? Weird. I could put another group in here. That's down here. Jukebox goes inside. This gets the animator. And then this also gets like the lawn. Nah, I'm not doing this for now. Animation. Aaron. I'll leave it just in case I want to do it later, but I'm not gonna do it now. So this gets toggled on and off. It starts off. Although this is probably going to trigger, so I should turn it off here. Okay, and now I basically want to do the same thing with the radio. So jukebox. And then same thing here. Copy. On use? No, on player interaction. Paste. We want it to be this musical note. Game toggler toggle. And that's it. Okay, so now the radio also plays music. The radio also plays music. All right, I did it. I did one thing. People want to turn the radio on. Now they can. Let's just see if it like actually works the way we expect it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, the radio shows notes. So the jukebox and the radio. The core radio. I do want to change the model of this eventually. I did not make this. This is part of a pack. This I made. Whoa, where's the music? Is this the music bug that I was having? I'm not getting sound effects or music. Whoa. Why? Sounds like Final Fantasy music? You just reminded me. So the music playing right now isn't Final Fantasy music. Wait, do you really hear music? I mean, there's like piano jazz going on. Piano jazz. If I pause that, there's no music, no sound effects. Did I break the audio? I'm gonna restart Unity. That's very strange. Let's close some software we don't need. That is not a happy Unity. Is OBS not getting the sound? I mean, I don't hear it either, so. Are my audio settings correct? Speakers, black hole, yeah. Game. I mean, nothing's null. I'm not getting any warnings. There we go. That was weird. Just need to restart Unity. Wait, you're reading the which one is that? Camera needs a. Oh, this thing. Oh, yeah, yeah. I can work on that. I can work on that. So now interact with this. So, yeah, the toggle turns on music. And then when you turn it off, the music still plays. So maybe when you turn it off, the music cuts off. And you can turn it back on for different music. Okay, it's a weird one. Collection. Spring music collection. Audio collection. I guess I just want like a public void. Oh, you know what I can do? How do I stop the music? I don't have an event for that. I guess what I'm gonna do is, yeah, if people want to turn the music off, and you accidentally turn it on, that's gonna be annoying, right? Soul Retriever, how's it going? The Pacifist, hello. If the radio is on, does the music play everywhere or just on the map? It's everywhere. It's basic. It'll just control the background music. It's not just limited to that spot. It's more for you than it is for the guests. Maybe I'll turn this into a dance spot. Maybe like maybe maybe guests come and dance in front of the jukebox. I like that. I'm gonna do that. I think I can just straight up steal the bonfire. Bonfire. Activity. Copy. Jukebox. Paste. This has 8 interactions. I only need 2. There'll be room for 2 people to dance in front. Or maybe 3. Let's say 3. So now the jukebox has a function. This is where guests come to dance. One, 2, and then one more. 3, 4, 90. Icon fireplace. No. Jukebox. Jukebox. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. And I think I also need decor blocker. Why is this thing so tiny? 0.5. Hmm. It's actually pretty big. It's pretty big. It's as tall as a player. It's as tall as a character. Oh, I also have arrows to indicate where, like, I have arrows to indicate why this is a blocker. Let's see. Grab one from the hot tub. Interaction entrance. Interaction. Look, where is it? Here it is. Atom offset. Wait a minute. What? What? If I go into this, decoration interaction portal. Oh, that's right. That's totally right. Back. Take you. Come with me. Get rid of you. Where's the arrow? I can't see it. I can unhide it. There we go. So this shows that something's going on here. Like, maybe don't put this up against a wall. What? Where is this? Oh, weird. Also, why isn't this centered? Why isn't this centered? That is bothering me. What? No. Why isn't this centered? No. Making gaming. How's it going? Yeah, the fact that this isn't centered is blowing my mind. I would never make something not centered. What are you building? I'm building this jukebox item for characters to dance around. Why is it not centered? I don't know. This thing has no X. This thing has no X. This thing has no X. Oh, it's because it's placed in the world. If I open up the... That's so stupid. If I select the jukebox and go to... Isn't there a way to say, like, show in world and then show in context normal? Gray, hidden. Nah, if I leave this jukebox and go into this jukebox... Yeah, it's not centered. Yeah, now it's centered. That was so silly. Silly goose stuff. There we go. Okay. Negative 0.7. No, negative Whoa, sorry for that. Maya is notorious for flashbanging. All right, I actually don't need Maya because we got to the bottom of things. Negative 0.65. 0.65. All right, this is symmetrical now. I like symmetry. This blocker now blocks all this. It makes it very awkward to fit in a room, but it's a very high-powered item. I think it's really high in decoration stats, and I might as well make it really high in fun. So, stats, fun. Yeah, it already is high in fun. Oh, that's because I grabbed these are from the bonfire stats. So relaxing, it's definitely not relaxing. It's definitely not inspiring. I mean, maybe jukeboxes are a little inspiring, but we're gonna crank the fun. 6 in fun. And this blocker is a hard blocker because people need space to dance. So now if I go into here, let's see if we could interact with it. Should just work, right? My code is solid. It just works like that. Oh no. I gotta turn those off. It's to encourage people to find their own center. Yeah. There we go. So now you can dance in front of the jukebox. First, you gotta turn it on though. Wait, why I want to turn on? This one turns on, right? Did I remove that whole functionality and forget? So I guess now this acts more like the the bathtub. So I need to figure out how the water shows up. So I'm toggling the music notes. They were not toggling. These were definitely not toggling. But I don't actually want to toggle them like that anymore. We're gonna remove the player interaction from it. And then the music notes will turn on basically when anyone's dancing, indicating that someone's listening. So bathtub. How does the bathtub work? Visuals, water. So the water is activity listener. Started, completed, water turn on, water turn off. Okay. So musical notes. This won't do that anymore. Remove component. I won't even do that. So activity listener, musical notes, musical notes, game object set active, game object set active. So when the jukebox is activated, we turn on the musical notes, and when it's not active, turn them off. Wait, Bethesda, it just works, or actual, it just works? You making fun of Bethesda? There we go. So now when you dance, the music turns on, the notes come out. When you stop, you run away, it's fine. Cool. Cool. And then the last thing is I need to tell the player. So show floating. Show player interaction help? No. Show player charge interaction help. Vert. And then say dance. Or should I say groove? Groove. And then the radio. So the radio should do the same thing, but only one person should be able to dance in front of it. And that's why it's not as good. There's no room for 3 people to dance around a radio. Only room for 1. Radio. Jukebox. So also use this to alter the mood. A great place to dance. A great place for 3 people to dance. And then the radio will be a great place for 1 person to dance. A decent place for 1 person to dance. There you go. Why not 2? Look how tiny it is. How are 2 people supposed to hear the music? Only 1 person can hear the music. That's about it. The logic makes sense, trust me. So we don't want to do this anymore. We're going to groove. Groove. Revert. We're going to add the same activity as this. Copy. Paste. I'm going to get rid of 2 of... sure. I'll make 2. I'll make 2. I'll say a decent place where 2 people. A decent place for 2 people to dance. And then we need some activity interaction locations. We need the activity listener. We need 2 of these portals. 2 of these. Okay, and that's it. Goodbye. So location 1. Location 2. And then this and this. We move them here. This one and this one. Move them here. The decor blocker now. Oh, that's why the jukebox was so tiny, because of this. So this one, I guess I can make this 0.95. 0.95. And 0.5? Negative 0.5. No, negative 0.33. Okay, we'll do that. Is that it? Activity listener needs to be set. Musical notes, musical notes. Oops. Game object, set active, game object, set active, done. Because I duplicated the radio to become the jukebox. So I never made it bigger. That's why when I first opened the jukebox, it had a tiny collider. I never actually tested the jukebox so much. All right, let's see if dancing in front of the radio works. I need more dance animations. Why did she hold her butt? She's holding her butt like her leg hurts or something. Wait, did the musical notes turn on for the radio? Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. That's cool. Oh, and the radio is too powerful. So the radio shouldn't be as fun. It should be 3 fun, not inspiring, and decoration stats. It has none. We can give it some. We can give it some style and some function, but the jukebox should get major points. Yeah, it already does. 4 and 2. Okay, cool. All right, I like that. Oh, what I also need to do is tell it what kind of activity it is. Oh, it is. It's activity dancing. Okay. It's an activity type dancing, which means characters will only want to dance once a day. Radios be more inspiring and less fun than jukeboxes. Well, but they're both for playing music. They're not like there's no talk radio. You're being too literal. It's called arbitrary progression. All right, I mean, I guess that was on my list. There. I already checked it off. So if you have the deer in your frustrum and it poofs away, you can still take its photo, might cause a null ref. Okay. Yes. This is the one you were referring to before. I just forgot. I totally forgot I had it in there. So what does that mean? Why? Why does this happen? This is very difficult to figure out. Let's go to the camera mini game, I guess. Camera mini game. Proximity set. Snapshot proximity set. Proximity set. Snapshot proximity set. Why do I have 2? Oh. Okay, this is the one that is connected to the camera frustrum. And this is the one that's connected to us. Is that correct? I don't remember. Player system, secondary player controllers, camera controller, and camera controller. Camera root. Wait. Camera controller. Virtual camera. This is different. Huh? Yo, Augie. Augie, how you doing? I almost just said, every time I type shout out now, I type Augie and I'm just like, no, that's not Augie's real name. It's Aug 16th. Gym day. Yeah, there's no shame in that. Computer. What'd you get up to today, Augie? I'll allow it. Why does the camera get a null ref? Is the deer being deleted instead of being hidden? No, it is being hidden. So it wouldn't be a null ref. I wrote might be a null ref just to warn myself to look at it. I actually don't think you would get a null ref. Working out releases endorphins, dopamine, right? It's science. It helps. What is this? Boom camera. No, this is not the minigame. Primary controllers? Camera minigame. There it is. Really short streamer just quickly fixed a bunch of bugs, completed the death pickup baby loop. Wait, your little guys can die? The little Tamagotchis can die? I didn't know that. Focus object. Player. Okay. Wait. These are the same. Proximity set and snapshot proximity set. These reference the same exact thing. Why do I have two? Why do I do two? Snapshot proximity set. Huh? Ay, Dios mío. Also, I have way too many scripts open. Okay. In fact, they can grow senile. Oh my god. I'm allow players to keep the senile ones on life support forever or put them down. Oh my god, Augie. What are you making? So technically no dying of old age. Just the devs slowly pressuring players to put them down. Oh my god. Considered. Honestly, ghost pets are cute. Keeping pets on life support. I don't know how cute that is. Why do I do this twice? Am I crazy? Does it have two frustrums on it? Something fishy is going on here. And I don't like it. Let's see what they both do. I think I know what it is. Proximity set. This one only is referenced 2 times. And take photo now. What I do is I give the whole array of nearby objects to the photo system for this one only. And what does this one do? Proximity, regular ass proximity set. When we enter the camera controller, I tell the camera minigame event that we've started. And I tell this proximity set to clean up. Objects, get nearby objects clean. That's weird. I guess, what does this mean? Remove nulls from set. Okay, so I just return, it should be empty, right? It should just be empty. Okay. And then, what else? Where else are used? On proximity set changed. When the proximity set is changed, I tell the camera the minigame event. Yeah, I throw an event, whatever. And when we take a photo, wait, take photo. What does this one do? Take photo now. Why do I have 2 of these? This is blowing my mind. Blowing my mind. Oh god, what am I missing? Where are the comments at? Need a comment reminder like your water reminder? Look, I got a comment right here. Called from Unity event set in editor. There you go. Make pet heaven where you can visit the old ones, but they aren't playable. It's kind of funny. I like that idea. I mean, by the time they're senile, they should already have turned into a big ass Charizard or something. We could definitely do some kind of grave they can visit. There you go. Grumbleplugs once said that no comments mean more chat interaction, though asking questions. Yeah. It's Grumble of Pigs. Grumble of Pigs. I'll have to go punch the depression away. All right, Augie. Go enjoy the gym. Thanks for the raid. Have a good one. Take photo now. Okay, I remap whatever. I check to see if the score is greater than 0.5. Yep. And if it is greater than 0.5, I take the photograph with the photograph system. So subjects updated. I think this is listened to by the floating icon UI manager. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, what else? Okay, I know what I need to do. I know what I need to do to fix this. It's not just remove null from set. It's also remove them if they're hidden. So remove nulls from set and I'm also going to remove it if nearby objects x dot. Oh, I can't tell. I can't just get its game object. Oh, weird. I can't check if it's a game object and set inactive because it's proximity set t. So I need to do this only in the photographable. It needs to be in this one. So I need an override. All right. We're getting there. We're getting there. So I basically need a protected virtual void override, or should I override this one and implement a new? Nah, I'll just do this one. All right, so we're going to override remove null from set and do the same exact thing, but we're also going to remove things that are not visible. Easy peasy. Public virtual override. And since we know it's a photographable, we know it's a mono behavior, we can grab the game object, see if it's null. If nearby object else, if it's not null, okay, yeah. Else if nearby objects x dot game object dot active in hierarchy, then also nearby objects dot remove at x. Done. That was all I needed to do. I don't need to adjust any more code. So on trigger enter, on trigger exit, camera minigame, get nearby objects clean, get nearby objects clean. Perfect. So we're going to pass in this and we're going to clean it up before we pass it. And that is that. Problem solved. I am not even going to test it. Character descriptions need to be written properly. I know they do. Leave me alone. There was something else I was going to do. There was something else I was like about to work on. It was big. I was going to add chickens to the game. So how do I want to add chickens to the game? Do I want an area? Like, do I want to just do I want a chicken coop item that makes eggs over time? Do I want chickens to roam the property? Do I like how do I want to implement chickens? Look at all those chickens. Mard. Mard. If you got a puzzle for me, let me know. Do you like it when Grumble and I badger you for puzzles? You know that meme? I don't. What is that? You like it? Okay. Then give me a damn puzzle. Give me puzzle! I think what I want is I want a chicken coop item that has like a little front yard. And the chickens roam around the little front yard and then they go back in their own coop at night. Like I don't want it's not going to be like Stardew Valley where you have to like micromanage your animals and feed them. Maybe you have to feed them, but yeah, I'll definitely have feeding them. But it'll just be that. You feed them and then you collect their eggs. You won't be able to go into the chicken coop. Samsonite. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you? Let me fix a bug. You have bugs? You've never mentioned that you've had bugs before. Herb did a crazy one earlier. Well, now I got to do that one, right? Hey, welcome in, welcome in. All right, chicken coops. We're going to add chicken coops. Should I start with modeling one or should I start with implementing the functionality of one? It shouldn't be that hard. It shouldn't be that hard. And is it an item? Like, is it an item in your inventory? I guess why not? If a gazebo can be an item in your inventory, then so can a chicken coop. Maybe they just can't stack. Famous last words. Which ones? I feel like I've said so many controversial things. First, I said it won't be that hard. Then I said other things that can possibly bite me in the butt. I mean, the whole thing is I want there to be a way to get eggs regularly. Eggs are going to be a huge part of the game. It won't be that hard. Yeah. It can't be that hard. I know. All right, I got this. I'm going to duplicate the table saw. And I'm going to make a chicken coop. Chicken coop. You sure you want the one that Herb did? It's pretty hard and big. Nah, don't give me a big hard one. And scratch that from all of your ears. No. All right. So, coop. ML Jesus! Oh god. What is happening here? Everyone freaked out. Everyone's freaking out. What does a chicken coop look like? There's like a classic look. It's this. This is the classic look. Gabled, half gabled roof. Andrea's. My posture's not even that bad. Stop picking on me. Swarm. Half gabled roof. Where is it? Half gabled roof. Preview roof. This is what I want. Chicken coop. Negative 0.2. I think they're perfect. Yeah. So let's say point. Okay, Mard, I'll do a difficult one that is of the smaller kind. Have to head back into a meeting. So this is the one posture reminder I can give you today. Thank you. Thank you, computer. This is the most ridiculous thing. Negative 0.4. Negative 0.6. Point 0.4. Negative 0.4. Negative 0.2. I can't believe this is how I'm making this thing. Negative 0.5. 1. Oops. Oh no. Am I really building this sideways? Whatever. Where'd it go? Tile state. You. come with me. There we go. Point 0.35? 0.4? I guess it's 0.4. And then it's already perfectly centered. Okay. And then we just need some legs and a ramp. I'll make an actual coupe later. For now, we're just gonna use this crazy thing. It's up. You know, I actually might not want this ramp. This ramp is going to be complicated. If I want the chickens to walk around and then walk up here, I wonder if this is going to work. It'll be nice though. It'll like, you know, let's just try it. Let's just try it. If it turns out to be too complicated, I won't do it. All right, we're going to take a short break and play some Akari by Mr. Mard. Easy, easy, easy. Yo, 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 yo. Dink, dink. All right, I'm stuck. Oh, weird. Okay. So it, well, I guess it can be this. No. All of these are made up, so none of them are telling me anything. I guess I could start here. If it's this one. Okay. It actually can't be that. Ooh. So it has to be one of these three. Can't not be. Hmm. How does this game work? So basically, yeah, these symbols represent how many dots can be around them, not counting the diagonals. So you'll see how they change to update you like, oh, okay, now there's one left. And when there's a happy face, it means there's no more. That didn't get me anywhere. That just got me stuck. Okay, actually, this works. This works. Sort of. Rexcell Gaming, welcome in. How are you? Ooh, no. This doesn't work. All right, that works. No, it doesn't work. That works. That works. That works. That works. What? I got lucky. I got lucky, Mard. That was pure luck. I mean, okay, so what happened was I knew that I had a 33% chance of getting this right if I just chose one of these at random. I chose one of them and I was wrong. I chose the other one and it led me down a path that was correct eventually. But I had to I didn't logically know this was the one. I took a chance. I basically 50-50'd it. Nah, not big brain. Tiny lucky brain. Thank you. Thank you for that. All right, this little chicken coop needs legs. I'll just use this thing. All right, we did it. Made a little chicken coop. Atrum, how's it going? Baby Yaga's chicken coop? Who's Baby Yaga? Or Baba Yaga? What's a Baba Yaga? So it will be similar to Stardew where eggs might appear in the morning. That is true. What kind of inventory do I need? It's basically a single slot inventory. I need a short rant. Graphics programming is hard. I am not succeeding on the rendering improvements. Rant over. That was such a tiny rant. How quaint. Oh, wait, what? I want this to be... Oh, wait, why is this so off-center? Where's the center? This is the center. So this is back one and then forward one. Kind of want this to be... like up here. Right? I want 0. What if I make this 0.5? Does that make it perfect? I think that makes it perfect. Okay. So now this is centered. You know how I like centered things. My internet died. Did you say something? Thanks for playing. Oh, Mard. I said thank you. And I encourage everyone. Everyone should check out Mard. When are you going to stream again? He said he wants a deep fried turkey. You want to know a funny thing about Japan? There's no turkey here. Not one. No turkey. Can't get turkey burger. You can't get a turkey leg. It just doesn't exist. As a culture, they said, you know what? Turkey's gross. Let's not. It's dry. It's pointless. I kind of get it. I want my stream to be entertaining, and I don't think I can work on my game and be entertaining at the same time. I don't think you have to be entertaining. I don't think I'm entertaining. Like, I'm not up here spitting jokes. Just got relaxing music on. Working. I think people respond to progress and getting stuff done. And we do get stuff done here. I will say that. Like 99% of this game of the past year has been live, which to me seems bizarre. I'm a deer. Just hearing the real life struggles of creating something soothes. Yeah, so you all get to watch me struggle and be thankful that you're not going through the same struggles. And it should make you feel better. All right, chicken coop, chicken coop. Let's put it in the game. Look at that. Look at that chicken coop. I mean, it looks stupid. It looks like a tiny house right now, but we'll fix it later. We'll fix it up. We'll fix it up. No, don't do that. X. Yeah, do that. No, don't do that. Okay, yeah, do that. 25. No. Bad. Bad. No, bad. Oh, these centers are here. That's dumb. Okay, I guess I can't squish them. Hey, doggy. You okay? Oh. So boring to be a dog. Not the same, but different ones as I create my video templates. Andreas, what do you do? If you don't mind me asking, you don't have to share, but if you want to share. Brent 2, how's it going? I'll say inspect. It won't actually do anything right now, but we'll inspect it. Would you like me to tell you what the first move of that puzzle was? Yes. What was the first move? The bottom of the 3 blocks needs to be a light. This one needs to be a light. Imagine if it's not. See what happens. So yeah, it has to be. Oh, all right. I get it. I get it. That might be how I got there, actually. Yeah. Because if it's not, then this one needs 3. It has. Good on ya. Good on ya. I create title sequences or logo animations for people to use in their YouTube videos. Oh, awesome. Nice. Brentu, what's up? New here, looks cool. Brentu, we're making a chicken coop. What's up with you? Welcome in. All right. I'll make a better chicken coop some other time. So maybe I won't do the whole chicken thing. Do I even have a chicken? Chicken. Oh, I do. No. Chicken leg. That's not a chicken leg. Chicken meat. Chicken leg. Oh boy. That's not a chicken. That's chicken leg. It's like game dev, but none of the coding, gameplay, and all the visual stuff, animation, and making it pretty. Just all, yeah. I get it. I actually, so I do visual effects, and I work with a lot of 2D animators who do logos and stuff like that. Titles, interstitials, lower thirds. Imagine a bunch of chicken. I mean, I'm about to use the chicken leg temporary. All right, so we have a chicken coop. How do you interact with it? What is it? Do you buy chickens and then chickens show up in your coop? Does the coop just magically have one chicken that produces eggs over time, like a like a bee? What is it? What a bee thing? What's a bee thing? A beehive. Like beehive just making honey over time? Hmm. A bee coop. Yeah, and a chicken hive. Sometimes I dream of creating something really fun like you with your games, but then I'm like, nah, exhausted from creating them lower thirds. I get it. When uh, when I used to work at a very large company in New York, I basically quit game dev for 4 years. I quit for 4 years because I just didn't have the energy to come home and make games. I was way too exhausted. So that sucked. That was not fun. I need to take a 2 minute break. I got to help my wife with something. But I'll be back in 2 minutes. Lower thirds are like, you ever see like an interview or with like any kind of like, it's usually an interview where the lower third of the screen is a graphic either of the person's name, or it can show up in the middle of a show and be like, coming up next, stuff like that. That's a lower third, right? All right, I got to take a 2 minute break. I'll be right back. Hang in there. All right, we're back. That was easy. Like the Chiron? What's the Chiron? Let me see if I can find a chicken coop on, or a chicken model on the asset store. I don't need like a bunch of farm animals. I'm not doing like cows and goats. Just want to, just want a few. Careful, Duolingo. Oh, imagine this guy's a guest, and you put him, he only stays in chicken coops, and he's like human size, but he just needs to be in a tiny chicken coop. And he lives there forever, and he just poops out eggs. This one's pretty good. This one's pretty good. Wait, is that the same? This one might be the best. These are realistic. Perfect. This one's good. It's a little too good. It's not that high poly. Imagine his name is Colonel Sanders. No. Yo, Anga Blade. You did my chaotic good task of the month. What'd you do? Just enough animals to make it not look like an afterthought. Exactly. Add one ultra realistic chicken in the mix. No. It does have a lot of chicken dumb, which I like. And I like the animations. The head moving around. The walk is silly. I mean, it doesn't need to jump. It's got an attack. It's so jiggly. Its head. Oh my god, the death. That's amazing. Can you tell what I use YouTube for? I mean, I feel like I can get an animal pack that has a chicken in it for the same price. Animal. Yeah, animals. Also, it keeps flashbanging us. I'm sorry. Why is it showing text animator when I search animals? Animal pack. Not animals. Not animals. Not animals. Ultimate pack. I do love these, but they're very recognizable. I mean, yeah. How many people own? I mean, this is the. Not a lot of people own this one because it's so expensive. But honestly, it's worth the price. It costs you like 10 grand to make all those animals. Say, I don't like the way people name stuff on the Unity Asset Store. I'll say cute. These are kind of cute. These are 2D. 2D. Why are they 2D? They look 3D. Dragons. 2D. The quirky. I mean, this is the pack. Oh my god. Chill. I think these are too quirky. My game isn't this quirky. It's a little quirky, but not this quirky. Let's try farm animal pack. Uh, Chicken Man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. What is that? A 1/10,000th chance of ultra realism. Swarm, what are you singing? If it's in light mode, you never get flashbang. I mean, it's just a constant barrage. Wait, it does light. What is the Unity Asset Store? No, it's yeah, it's white. Farm animals. Farm animals families. Ah, come on. These are not bad. No chicken, though. Only four-legged animals, and they're all the same animation. Oh, this might be perfect. This might be perfect. $50. That's it's a little steep, but that chicken's really nice. This chicken's nice. The sheep is cute. Pig is cute. I really like the little chick. Horse is nice. This might be the one. Why does the sheep roll? Mesh tint. They make good stuff. Once a month, I go to one of those pay for code websites and do all the .NET requests for free because I get bored, and people are charging $50 for 30 seconds of work, and it's a ripoff. I couldn't, in my good nature, charge someone $50 for a library that does color highlighting on a bitmap image. Plus, it keeps me in practice in all .NET languages. It's interesting. I will play devil's advocate for a second and say people on that website probably need the cash. And if you go in and do them all for free, then I don't know. Someone might be missing out on some much needed cash. But maybe they are overcharging for 30 seconds of work. Wait, you found one. Low poly farm animals. Oh, but this is like voxel style. It looks good for like a temp thing because it's only $10. But I'm not doing the voxel style. What's this one? Farm animal pack. Another so proto factor. Oh, that's super realistic and nice looking. Yeah. Too realistic. What's this one? Oh, this one's nice, Anga. This one's nice. Does it have animations? I like the models though. This is totally my style. Like this is the style I'm going for. These are very cute. I might buy it just for the props. The well is nice. The trough is not, but it's stupid. Like now that I see it, oh, I can make this in 5 minutes. The only thing I probably can't make in 5 minutes is the car. I like the trees. I like the jams. Ooh, the plants are nice. Plants are nice. I already have like so many fruits and vegetables. The characters are cute. $66. All right, let's look. The chicken's pretty good. It's probably not animated though. It comes with a chicken coop. It comes with a chicken coop. Hence chaotic good task. Yeah, I guess you're right. You did say chaotic good. That is chaotic good. You're unfamiliar with the song Ocean Man. I don't know. Maybe if I heard it, maybe I am. But I'm really bad with like song titles and stuff like that. Andrea's trying to get by that auto mod. Is $66 worth a day of work or not? Yeah, for sure. Oh, I totally pay $66 to avoid a day of work. Oh, it's even got I made all these things. It's so funny. These are all the things I already made. I made seed packs. I if I don't think these animals are animated. Let's see. Package contents. We can see if there's animations. Models, prefabs, material. So there's materials, models, animals. There's FBXs. I don't see any animators. I don't see any animations. I think there's just props. It's really difficult to sell kinematic things without animation. Yo, Flavius Kid, how's it going? So if I was going to buy one, it would be this one. It would be this one. So I'm going to favorite it and come back to it. I'm not logged in. How do I log in? All right. Sign in. Save. Okay, it's favorited. But yeah, I can. I just if I'm gonna pay for something, I hope it's animated. Making animations is very expensive. Between the rigging and then the animating, it's probably the most time-consuming thing. Yeah, work doing good. Glad to hear it. All right, so back to what I was saying earlier. What's the best way to produce eggs? Okay, I'm going to have a restrictive secondary inventory. Select. Secondary inventory. Secondary restrictive inventory. It's not going to be a processor. Secondary restrictive inventory. Wait, but there is something about the processor that I want. I want this indicator here. This canvas offset this thing. I want this. So maybe it can be the processor. Restrictive inventory, processor inventory. I just want this one, secondary inventory. I just want to show that there's something in there. What did I do for the laundry? Laundry. Washing machine. The core washing machine. What is this? This is a restrictive inventory processor. Okay. But I don't think you were able to open it. Available, show GUI. Okay. How about this? How about this? We're going to say don't show GUI. Revert. No show GUI. It's the processor type none. The processor type is none. And oh shit. I know what I could do. I can make a chicken an item. And then if you put the chicken in the inventory, it processes eggs. JTC, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. How are you? If I make a chicken an item that you can buy and carry, then you can put the chicken in the coop. And I can use systems that I already have that spawn the chicken. So there's a visual because it's in the inventory. And then it just takes 24 hours to turn a chicken into an egg. I guess the only thing is normally processors delete the item. So I just have to add functionality that's like, don't delete the item. But then it has nothing to do with food. No, I should make a new system because using old systems, jamming something into an old system is a bad idea. Let's just make eggs appear. Let's just make eggs appear. So instead of using a secondary inventory, I'm going to take this canvas out. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of the progress bar. I don't need the progress bar. I just need this. I just want to know when there is something to collect. Okay. This turns toward camera, right? Thought display. Transform overrides. Huh? Weird. So maybe I'll just make a quick script called coop, chicken coop. That just does what I needed to do. Or, I mean, if I'm going to have like a beehive kind of thing as well, it's going to be the same thing. It's just going to make an item every once in a while. So I should make a script that can just fabricate items with inputs. The quirky series, yeah. Yeah, Anga, I like the quirky series. I just think it's too quirky. It's good. That's a good one. Oh, wait, is this the same person? Yeah. Yeah, our signature quirky series. Nature and Forest. They have a whole Nature and Forest pack. That's too low res. They've got an Environment Mega Pack with fruits and vegetables. I don't need that. I don't know. If I ever like decide that I don't want to model 100 animals, I'll probably just buy this quirky pack. All right, I'm going to make a new thing. It's going to be called it's not a secondary inventory. Or what is a processor inventory? Secondary inventory that listens for events and time tick event. What's a secondary inventory? technically. A secondary inventory is an inventory that shows it's basically a storage. It's a storage. So I can make a type of secondary inventory that creates items. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So processor. So maybe processor inventory has functionality for not destroying the item and not even needing an item. It just creates something over time. Okay. I'm going to do that. Although I feel like this is too complicated. Nah, this is too complicated. Wait. Farm Hen Cute Series. Yeah, this is the same. This is the same one. This is the one I favorited. So I guess they have the chicken by itself, $6. Do I want all the other animals that they have? So if I spend the $50, I get a pig, I get the baby chick, a horse and a cow, and a sheep. Or I can spend $6 on just the chicken. I don't know. I might want the other ones. Yeah, no, I do like that one. That's the one. That's the winner. I just have to decide if I want all of them or just the one. That's good that you found that just the one. It makes it a way easier decision. All right, I'm gonna call this a fabricated or a creator inventory. A creator inventory is an inventory that creates items from nothing. And then item creator type. I don't think I need this enum. This is the creator. The output inventory display reference. I do need that. No, I don't need that. Because it's not going to have input. It's the whole thing is output. I don't need that. Output inventory. I don't need that. Item processor type. So now it's the item creator type, which I don't think I need. Start and end time, I don't need because it's just going to happen on the beginning of the day. Animator, I could have if I want. I'll just leave it. Start location. Start local position? What is that? Progress animator.transform.local position. This is the progress animator. Oh, the progress animator. Do I need this? This is like what is this? Let me just delete other stuff first before I... Yeah, I don't remember what this is. The progress image and the progress group. I don't need this stuff. I only need the thoughts display. This is technically also serialized field protected. And I only need the thoughts display to show when there's an item to be collected. Could use the others for petting farm random event. I like that, opening up a petting farm. Like a petting zoo. Yeah. All right, so this we don't need. Processing, it's always processing. Why do I listen for whoa. Oh my god, this is a complicated script. I'm just deleting most of it. On item interaction. We don't do this, so let's not confuse ourselves. If we failed to pick anything up because it was a null, let's try putting an item into the inventory. Huh? Huh? We don't put items into it, so item interaction should never do anything. Item interact. Oh, transfer item to inventory. This is the from inventory, right? No, that's to. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, this is going from the player to us. We just want to return false. This should never do anything because we're never putting items into the inventory. We're only taking items out of the inventory. Okay, configure processor. So this is a bunch of stuff we don't really need to know about. I don't think we need to save any data. Do we need to save data? No. We don't need to save data because at the beginning of every day, that's when we do our calculation. So we don't need middle of the day, like start time and end time. We don't need that. I don't think we need to save anything. I'm gonna leave it here just in case. I'm gonna leave it here just in case. Combat Wombat, how's it going? Are we making an MMO? We are not making an MMO. We are making a single player experience. We're making a life sim game. It's kind of like Stardew Valley, but you run an inn. Does it mind if I keep this? Yeah, I'm just keeping this just in case. And then we'll do that. All right, so now the game this thing doesn't save. I can remove that. So why do I listen for, I don't need to listen to time tick event anymore because I'm only going to listen to day tick event. Instead of deleting it, I'll just change it. Day tick event. Day tick event. Wait, I deleted the day tick event. Oops. I mean, all right. So I listen to inventory events if content changed. We configure the processor. I don't need to do that. You're into that. Nice. Nice. Oh, here's the time tick. Okay. Time tick. So we want to if e dot event type equals start of day. Warm up. Warm up new day? Do I want to warm up new day or start day? Let's say start of day. When the day begins. That's when we configure this thing. So configure inventory. We'll just do that. I don't know why I do this. I don't think I need this. I delete the things I don't think I need. Open inventory GUI. I don't need that. I don't need that. Set animator activity. Progress animator. Show. Where is this animator? Oh, I know where it is. Okay, I don't need it anymore. Progress animator. Nah, we're done with you. We're done with you. We don't need you in our lives anymore. Inventory is empty. This is an override. I don't think I need this anymore either. I don't need this. Nanto Shadow. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Thoughts. Okay, we do need that. We don't need to override this anymore because we only have one inventory. On item interaction. So this is an override. What's the base? Oh, look at that. So if the player interacts, with this, by default, we put an item in the item. Oh, I guess we can just say it's not available. On player interaction. Is this single player? It is, yeah. Welcome in. Here's how we like to celebrate. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Posture check me? Make me drink water? Praise Lake. I'm leaning into it. So if anyone out there is new, stumbling in here, don't know what I'm working on, I've been kind of deep into the code for a bit. Haven't really touched the visuals. Here's what I'm working on. I'm working on that. I'll even play the trailer. It's called Alpine Lake. It's a life sim, Innkeeper-Sim. The demo came out 2 weeks ago. Please give it a shot, give it a whirl, give it a play. Let me know what you think. If you liked it, great. If you really liked it, feel free to leave a review. Those are always appreciated. There's a new Steam system where you can leave reviews on demos, which is cool. And that really helps with visibility. So the more reviews we get, the more Steam shows us off. Also, if you do leave a review, there's a utility I'm running by our good friend Fallon here, where the review pops up on the screen, which hasn't happened yet because no one's left a review while I was live. But hey, maybe it'll show up one day. But yeah, this is the game. You build and run an inn. I want to see that. Someone's got to leave a review. There it is. I'll delete my review and put up a new one. Don't do that. Don't do that. So right now I'm adding chickens to the game. I'm adding a chicken coop. So I'm making functionality that's going to support future item type, or future like processors. I'm calling them creator inventories, where they act like basically things that make items out of nothing. They sit there and they just churn out items, like a bee coop or beehive would make honey. The chicken coop is going to make eggs, so on and so forth. And I'm just going to give this script a bunch of rules so that it's pretty versatile. Configure processor. So this is a bunch of garbage. I don't need this. It's now configure creator. Right? Configure inventory. Configure inventory. Or how about this? New day. Tick. Let's say new day tick. New day tick. I do not need anything in the update function. I do not need to get a fill amount. I do not need to fill the image. I do not... Oh, time tick. No, this is all about filling the image. We do not need to do that. Process item. We don't delete items. But this is how we show what's in the output. So I do want this code. And it's not the output item. It's the input item. It's whatever's in our input. So inventory dot content 0 dot. That's it. So this is how we show item is available. That's really all we need from that. Set animator activity. We don't need those. Okay, this script got really small all of a sudden. I basically only needed like one line of code in it, which was declaring this variable and hiding it immediately. That's basically all I wanted from here. Okay. So how am I going to create stuff? I need a reference to an item that basically gets created. So should I have rules about what is created? Like intricate rules, or should I just basically make an item? I think for now I'm just going to have item in, item out. So public inventory item to create. So if this is a chicken coop item, if this is a chicken coop, the item to create is an egg. On the start of every day, we'll check to see if we can make an egg, and we'll make the egg. So on item interaction, I was looking at this before, and I realized that set availability. What is availability? Availability controls whether or not you can show the GUI. What I actually want is on player interaction, take the item out of it. I don't think that's something I've done before. So here's what I can do on player interaction. I can override this in the creator inventory. So on player interaction, let's override. This I'll just leave. I don't know what I need for that one. So if we're not available or don't show the GUI, we return. This is only about showing the GUI, but instead, we're going to grab the item from the item slot and transfer it into our inventory. So I can do the same code. I can do the same code where I grab the item when I it's basically this transfer item to inventory. And I just have to reverse what inventory it's coming from. And we don't need to open any lids. We're not going to open the GUI. And I guess we're going to return whether or not this fails. So this is the to inventory, and this is our inventory. So we want the player's inventory to be our inventory. We want this chicken coop's inventory to be the from, and we want to transfer this inventory's content 0. It's only gonna have one slot, so I know content 0 is always fine. And then we're going to transfer, we're not going to transfer one, we're basically going to transfer all of them. So this quantity has to be however many there are. Usually it's probably going to always be one. I don't think there should be more than one item stacked up in here, but maybe it's fine. Dot quantity. So we'll just take all of them. And if it fails, that's fine. This transaction manager should know if it fails. And how do we make items? So new day tick. Let's just make an item, put an item into the inventory at the start of every day. And we'll start with that. So new day tick. If inventory content, or if inventory is empty. If the inventory is empty, just make an item. So inventory.add item, item to create dot copy. And we'll add 1. And we'll display that item's icon. If the inventory is not, actually, if the inventory is not empty, I'll just return. Okay, that's very simple. Very simple. I like simple. It doesn't need to save anything because it's just going to do it at the start of every day. It doesn't. I mean, the only thing it needs to save is the contents of the inventory, which is already saved in the secondary inventory. No. Oh, in the inventory it's saved, right? Yeah, savable. Okay. Okay, we're close. We're close. We're close. We're very, very, very close. So I need a new kind of inventory prefab here. Select. So I'm going to duplicate this. This is going to be called secondary creator inventory. Prefab has been modified. Save changes. Yes, please. So the secondary creator inventory is not going to have a secondary inventory. Remove. It's going to have a creator inventory. Savable. Why does it need that? I forget. Open GUI type. None. I don't care. It's not going to open any. Lid animator doesn't have one. Savable name suffix. Do I need this? I forget what I need. What does this one have? Secondary restrictive inventory. It's got nothing. There's literally nothing. And it's, oh yeah, okay. Wait, where is it? I just made it. Why is it not here? Oh, secondary creator inventory. There it is. Save. I do want to make it not available. And I want to check what not available means. What does that mean? No, can't close. What do we do? Control, Command Shift R? Is that how I? Okay, so it's basically it's only for opening up the set availability. So wait, what would set the availability? Nothing. This is never called. I wonder if this is set. This is probably called in the outline or in the editor somewhere. Ah, it's annoying. All right, it's fine. This GUI won't show. It doesn't need any of this stuff. All right, so the chicken coop. It's not going to have this one. It's going to have our new one, creator inventory. Let's throw that in there. Plug it in here. So this needs the savable, which is the parent's savable. It also needs inventory display reference. Does it? I don't know if it does. What's your background in programming? Technically self-taught. I mean, I took a Flash course in college and we did a little action script. And I also took I took an Objective-C boot camp in 2011. 2010. No, 2010, 2011. I took an Objective-C boot camp because I wanted to make an iPhone game. And that's my formal training. Otherwise, I don't really program at work. I do occasionally, like at my day job, but I mostly do visual effects. Inventory display reference, scriptable reference. Resource. I see. Do I need this? Select. Secondary inventory display. So I technically don't need this because I'm never going to open the GUI, but whatever, who cares? Let's set it anyway. I'll even apply it to the prefab. I can confirm that you need a big brain for all this stuff. You see my head, it's very tiny. I can barely wear hats because my head's so tiny. Processor type is none. The thought display is this. And the item to create is an egg. Consumable ingredient egg. Okay. I haven't made a new feature in so long. Yesterday I made a new feature, and that was so much fun because for the past like 5 months, it's just been bug fix, bug fix, bug fix, playtest, 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 bug fix. No features, no features. And finally, I get to make a new feature. So here we are. We got a chicken coop, and it should make eggs every morning. Let's see. Not tiny, condensed, efficient, shorter pathways for light speed info transmissions. Stop it. Stop it. If my wife knew that you all said these things about me, she'd be freaked out because she knows it's going to go straight to my head and my ego is going to get bigger and I'm going to become a horrible person. She's right. All right, so the coop is already in there. There's other things. I didn't finish hooking up the item itself. So decor chicken coop. Chicken coop. A chicken coop. Chicken coops. For processing. A lovely little house for a chicken. Will produce eggs occasionally. How do you spell occasionally? Look, I don't even know how to spell occasionally. It's only one S. I spelled it wrong. See, tiny brain. Smooth brain. Everyone needs some good ego boost. That's too much. I'll balance it out. The jukebox not dancing makes the game basically pointless. Don't pressure me into doing that immediately just to regain the honor. Occasionally. Oh, that's how you spell it. A lovely little house for a chicken will produce eggs occasionally. There are, yeah. Hydrate. Thank you for the hydrate. Focusing. Okay. The rest of this is good. It's a decoration. Sort of. Arm in position. It does not show up in your hands. Chicken coop. Chicken coop. It's worth 10. Everything's worth 10. Process item rules. You cannot process it. Okay. Required room type, none. Oh, can be inside, can be outside. I'm going to say it can't be inside. You can't put a chicken coop inside. That's just no good. Balls. Try again. Try again, Finn. It's not an activity. Doesn't have interaction stats. Okay. It should have 0 alt transforms. Wait. Doesn't need an alt transform. What is this? That's what that is. Let's get rid of that. Let's make this 1.5. No, that's 15. 1.85. We'll move this up. Well, 2 and then negative 0.5. I don't know. Whatever. Yo, Darkwood, how's it going? We are working on a chicken coop. And I'm making this processor inventory that makes eggs over time. And it can make anything. I can make a beehive that can make honey over time. I can make like a butter churner that makes butter. Ooh, that's actually a pretty good idea. An automatic butter churner. Yeah, all right. Well, that's later. Are you asking how he's doing or the origin story of how he came to be Booyah? I think he's just saying, これは何ですか? Also, Mard, if you're going to talk, you got to speak in Japanese now. I love chickens. Nice. Secret meth lab? Yes. There's going to be a secret inventory underneath the chicken coop where you make all your meth. No, Finn. That's what the basement's for. I actually have a secret basement here that's not visible. Do I have it here? Warp locations. Look at this. Did you guys know I had this? I have a basement door here that's hidden. Mard? Wait, no, Finn, don't allow that. Finn. I'm not repeating that. There's a reason Automod caught that. That's amazing. That's why English only is a rule. Check this out. There's a basement. I'm going to go in the basement. Oh, no. I have... Oh, whoops. That's funny. It's because the inventory of the chicken coop is set to 0, so it's freaking out. It needs to be set to 1. I will actually make that part of the prefab. Kind of dark, though. All right, we're fixed. We're fixed. Oh, and there's one more thing, actually. I didn't hook up. I didn't hook up this thing. Look, it's already got an egg. Inspect. It takes the egg. We took the egg. Sick. But that's not what we're here about. We're here about the basement. Why is it freaking out? On save requests, freaking out. Why? Why? He probably doesn't like the chicken coop for some reason. It's because restrictive inventory doesn't exist anymore. This needs to be reset. Refresh. Nah, I gotta hit reset. Reset. Refresh. Secondary. Yeah, there we go. That should fix that. So it took the egg. That was cool. All I need to do now is hide that thought canvas thing. So when we successfully take this, so I'll say bool success equals this thing, and then if success, and then return success. If we succeed, then do the thing. This is no, changing the wrong code. Oh God. Let's close that so I don't do that again. It's this display icon. If let's write it even better. If this return true, else return false, and then thought display dot hide thought. Okay. Praise the egg. I hope that was the fix. Truly. Ooh, I almost just threw my neck out there, tilting my head. All right, there's an egg. There's an egg. Inspect. Boom. We took the egg. It didn't show up in the it didn't show up here. How do we make it show up there? There's like a forceful way to do it. I guess it doesn't technically count as the game thinks it's already yours because it's in one of your inventories, so it's not like, hey, new item. You're really just transferring an item from an inventory to another inventory. But because it's created out of thin air, it's a new item. We want to show the notification. So I need to figure out how to force it. How do I do that? Item pick. I could just throw an item pick, but nah, that's not good either. Oh, I do it with fishing. I do it with fishing. Let's copy the fishing. Fishing minigame. Fishing minigame. Update fish. Fishing controller. Casting. Minigame active. Cancelled. Success. Success. Success sequence. Item presentation tween. Reward. Spawn reward fish sequence. Give fish reward. Proficiencies, add XP. Should we give like farming experience when you forage, when you get eggs? Floating alert. Player transform message. What's the message? Oh, it's this. Perfect catch. Where do I give the item? Did I mention I beat the Draconian Tree Sentinel last night? Is that a euphemism? Elden Ring. It's making me jealous. Where do I give the item? Item presentation. Do I give it? Do I do it in the item presentation? Fishing line available sequence. Fishing line return. Spawn fish reward sequence. Do I do it here? Current reward. Give fish reward. It's got to be here. Oh, I do a gift. I just spawn a gift. Are you kidding me? And then I give failsafe. You know, sometimes I like write code that I just forget to reuse. I'm so stupid. I just give it as a gift. So instead of transferring, yeah, this is the dumb thing. Instead of transferring it, oh, but then it goes into your mailbox. That is kind of stupid. If I give it as a gift, it will go into your mailbox. Maybe I don't give failsafe. Maybe I give gift. Does give gift return a Boolean? It does. So I can just oh, okay. So here I say give gift. Let me keep this for now. If gift give and the item is inventory.contents 0 and the quantity is however many items are there. And I basically try and give the gift. If we succeed, we want to inventory.clear empty inventory. And then hide the thought. If it's false, then nothing. If it's false, then nothing. Why is this upset? Return. Oh, whoops. Okay, cool. I'm back. Augie, welcome back. Heading out. Take care, everyone. Have a great weekend. Computer, you too. Have a good one. Thanks for hanging. Got a headache. All right, so this is better. Why is this better? Because I don't know. I don't know why it's better. It just is. It should do exactly the same thing, except I get the notification for free. And if my inventory is full, I think I get a warning that your inventory is full. Let's see. So here's the egg. I got the egg and I got egg +1. Great. Let's fill up my inventory and try the next day. Oh, I also have to delete the egg because it will stack on top of it. Ine. Speaking of Japanese, I met with my Japanese teacher today. We got Japanese food and ice cream. That sounds like a very nice day. Very nice day. Ine. She taught me tondemonai. Tondemonai. What's tondemonai? Iced cream wa tondemo, tonnai aji. Tonna aji. Donna aji. Oh, what flavor ice cream? Ice cream wa donna aji desu ka? It's like when someone pays you a compliment, you say tondemonai, like I'm not deserving of that. Oh. Ugh, no. All right. We're done with the demo. I'm moving on with my life. I should push. I should do a git push. If I was a good person, I'd close the app, do a git push, say that's the demo, and move, and then continue. All right. I'm gonna be a good. I'm gonna be a good person. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna set this back to like the working demo state. I'm gonna do a push, and then I'll test that. I shall use that from now on till the end of time. Tondemona. Yeah, tondemona. I gotta remember that one. So often do I go to like a restaurant and they're being really hospitable. And they're like, oh, nihongo jozu, nihongo jozu. Like, even though I'm saying like terrible thing, like terrible Japanese. So I do need to remember tondemonai. Especially every time Rosem goes, Saska Tensai? What's Saska Tensai? Iya, iya, tondemonai. All right. This is the state of the demo. I'm going to close Unity and do a push. What did we do? Git add doc. Git commit. We added the newsletter, fixed bugs, changed stamina, added chicken coop, and current demo build. Aji is flavor, yeah. Donna, technically taste. What taste is it? Donna is like what kind of taste, I guess. What kind of flavor? Suikato? Watermelon. Watermelon and cookie? Suika? To cookie? But it's used as the same word for flavor, yeah. Biscuito. I don't know cookie. Just cookie. Cookie. Okay, we're good. Open Unity back up. What is that kanji? Actually, I don't know. It looks familiar. Ah, yeah, I can't do the kanji. Just can't do it. Cookie, yeah. Cookie. All right. So let's fill up the inventory and see if I can still grab that egg. See what happens. I need to do my Duolingo today. No. All right, no more demo mode. No more demo mode. All right, we can delete the jukebox and the radio. Those are done. Chicken coop. There's one more thing I forgot to do here, which is this. And I do need to give it a new logo. Do I have a chicken logo? Nah. Do I have a coop? Nah. Do I have a house? I do have a house. I have a birdhouse. I have a farmhouse. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna make the farmhouse for now. Ironically, in my mother tongue, air is pronounced air and means water. We're gonna get rid of demo mode. That's it. It's done. It's over. Managers, game manager. Game manager. Yo, Kieran. Kieran-y, how's it going? Turn on developer hotkeys. And I'm ready. We're making chicken coops today. So, I mean, okay, there's 99 eggs, so I technically still can't pick one up. I'm technically a polyglot, even though I barely meet the requirements. What are the requirements? How many languages do you need to know? Knowing more than one language. Ah. Yummy? What's yummy? So there's no egg today, which is weird. I feel like there should be an egg. All right, so now there's an egg. I take it. Inventory's full. No space in inventory. That's exactly what I want to happen. The chicken recipes, I hope they're yummy. We're not going to eat the chickens. We're just going to take their eggs. All right, so chicken coop. Let's eat an egg. So there will technically be one whole spot. Yes, eat the egg. And now take, it worked. Plus one egg. Yes. Okay. We got chicken coops. We did it. Yo, Gear Glass, how's it going? Ameripon! Typhoon hit you yet? Not yet. It's been raining. Yeah. It's been raining pretty hard, on and off. I think the tendrils are passing over us, like the tendrils of the typhoon. Weak sauce here in Fukuoka? What do you mean? Like, you saying that the typhoon barely touched you, or are you saying you got hit really hard and it sucks? Atrim, what is that? A little wind. That's it? I mean, it's coming for us. We're going to get a lot of rain tomorrow. I love Parks and Rec. My Japanese teacher thought it was hilarious that I said Owata when I described only eating the top part of creme brulee and stopping. What? You don't eat the whole creme brulee? Gotta teach the players to eat that chicken. I technically learned Mandarin and Arabic as a kid, but I don't remember any of that, so they don't count. Yeah, I guess they wouldn't count. It was raining pretty hard an hour ago. Gear Glass, are you also in Japan? Did I forget that? That's it. All my wife's friends were foaming at the mouth, panicking like the emergence of Godzilla. Yeah, the first typhoon, every person made a point to say, make sure to stock up, make sure to get your emergency stuff. And yeah, it just like rained for 2 hours. Never watched Parks and Rec, but damn, Ron Swanson has some amazing scenes. So the Paul character in this game is heavily based on Ron Swanson. Why would you stop? Why would you stop what? I don't know. Apparently Owata is funny. It's like a meme. Oh. If you say it like that, it's like I've been vanquished by the creme brulee. I've been vanquished. Oh, you're in Wisconsin. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there's a typhoon hitting Japan right now. So, and by the way, for those in for those of you in like the Western Hemisphere, a typhoon is just a hurricane. Same thing. That's how she described it. I see where they might have gotten a chuckle. I know Ron and only Ron. Ron's the best. She said if you say Owata, it's like it's the end of the world. Shinana ide kudasai. What is that? Shinana ide. So if you were carrying all of your groceries and then all spilled out, you would look to the heavens and in a defeated voice cry, Owata. I'll let you Google it. Oh God. What did you make me say? Don't make me say things I don't understand. Please don't. Okay, it's 7. I am starving. I'm getting a headache, and I think it's time to go. It's been almost 3 hours. We made our chicken coop. Yeah, that was a success. Today was a good step in the right direction. We made a new item. I'll get chickens running around. That'll be fun. I'll actually model a chicken coop so it's not just a little version of your own house. Which actually, it's kind of cute that it's a little version of your own house. But I'll actually make something. Google is hopeless without kanji. Oh yeah, definitely. Please don't die. I thought. Oh wait, so I thought die was like shinimas. So what's nanaide? Or what? I guess what does that kanji mean? Isn't to die shinimas? And then like to pass away is like nakunarimasu. It's the same word. Okay. Shinu. Shinanai. I see. Oh, negative form. Okay. I'm actually really bad at converting like verbs into the description. I don't know. I don't know vocabulary. I'm so bad with vocabulary. I don't even know what to call it. Te form for negative. Shinanaide. Don't do. Don't be bad at it. I'm bad at it, Cog. I'm bad. Wait, Atrim bought an asset for $110. It didn't improve the performance over what I already had. No, that's a lot of money to drop on an asset that's not worth it. That sucks. I just joined. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, we're going to find a raid target. We're going to find a raid target. Where should we go? There's a few new friends on. This person raided us a couple of weeks ago. We can raid them back. Falonier is online. Still? What? Val? Oh my god, he's just going all night. Jesus. Fal, how are you still online? I know you can hear me. He's been going for 6.5 hours. It's like 3 in the morning his time. We're gonna go visit this this new team member. Guess it's time to rewrite and try again. Sorry, Atrim. Sometimes that happens. All right, everybody. Everybody. Today was a good one. Today was a real good one. Let's do some credits. I don't know why my computer's freaking out right now. Stick around for the raid. Thanks for hanging. If you haven't already, please give Alpine Lake a wish list. That would be awesome. New followers, Nanto Shadow, JTC, Brentu, Rexel Gaming, Samsonite, Voss, and BC Math. Welcome the hell in. Finn, thanks for modding. Computer also, and Augie, thank you for that raid. Everybody, I'll be back. I might do tomorrow morning, my normal Saturday morning quickie, but I might not. I don't know. I found a way to make the game numpad only. You gotta be careful. Some people don't have numpads, and I don't know what's up with those people. Let's raid our new friend. Oh, whoops. Oh, that's why. I middle clicked on a folder and it opened up every web page in that folder. Oh, I have the form link. Oh, look at that. Okay, before I go, if anyone out there is doing game dev on stream and you are interested in joining our little stream team, it's this form, and I'm gonna make a Nightbot command for it. Nightbot. Commands, custom. Add command. It's going to be called stream team. Message. Apply here. Interested in joining our stream team? Apply here. Submit. Stream team. Bam. Okay. Let's visit our new friend. I'm gonna say that how many more times? Visit our new friend. Raid. Luke. Wolf. Games. Great. Now we'll get all kinds. We already got all kinds, Finn. All right, everybody. Thanks for hanging. Speaking of forums, I just entered the forum to hopefully get on the plane test of the next Descenders game. The play test. What's Descenders? I never heard of that. You monster. I haven't touched the engine in a week. I got a case of the Augs. Not as bad, though. If you finish, you're going to make it public. Oh, the Wisconsin game. Yeah, I want to see stuff on that cog. I found a way to make... Oh, wait, I read that already. I don't have a numpad. Mard, you don't have a numpad either? Jesus. All right, everyone. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe I'll see you Monday. I don't know. But have a good weekend if I don't see you. Have a great weekend, in fact. And until next time, peace.